Hi, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we discussed about how to train a binary classifier. So that is, in the previous class, we discussed about stochastic gradient descent binary classifier. Okay. So based on this classifier, we trained our model. And we test our model. Okay. Test our model. By using the training, we are providing the X train data and Y train data, and then we are going to test based on the X underscore test data. We are going to predict the corresponding class label, that it is a 5 or not 5. Okay. Now, whether we are getting the model is what is the performance of the model. So that is very important. Identification of the model performance is very important. So here lot of measures are there to find out the performance of our models. So here there are two things are there. One is classification and regression. Okay. So evaluating classifier is often significantly trickier than the evaluating a regression. That's very important. Now we are having different types of performance measures. One is confused matrix and true positive ratio and true negative ratio and false positive rate, false negative rate, precision, recall, F accuracy, F1 score, specificity, and receiver operating characteristic curve and area under curve. These are the different parameters or different measures to find out the performance of a particular classifier. So whether it is a good model or bad model, based on these performance measures, we are going to identify it. Okay. In the next class, we are going to see the measuring the accuracy, reaching the cross validation, and finally, we will see each and every performance metrics in the future classes. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.